Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video na ito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Awi Mix Videos. Ngayon po may video tayo na ipapanood sa inyo. Ito po ay mula sa 13 News Now. So ito ay balita na bibigyan natin ng ating reaction at siyempre ng komento, no? At kayo, inaasahan ko rin yung komento nyo dyan sa comment box. So wag na natin patagalin pa at panoorin natin ang balitang ito. Ito ay tungkol sa huling paglalayag na ng USS Philippine Sea. So ito po.
It turns a page in the history books as today was the beginning of the final deployment of one of the last of its kind warships.
The guided missile cruiser USS Philippine
Wow.
Sea shipped out for the last time. Mike Gooding has details.
The Ticonderoga-class guided missile cruiser USS Philippine Sea departed naval.
So yan po yung barko na kung tawagin ay USS Philippine Sea. Huling paglalayag na po ng barkong ito at ito po ay isang uri ng Ticonderoga missile cruise ship, no? Napakagandang barko at subok sa isang labanan.
Station Norfolk for the ship's final scheduled deployment after nearly 36 years in service.
Wow, ang tagal na, no? 36 years in service siya, no? Marami nagdigma ng pinagdaan. Ito ang balita ko dito sa Middle East.
For the next 3 months, the Navy says the Philippine Sea will operate in the U.S. Southern Command area of responsibility. The deployment comes less than 6 months after the last one ended. In July, Philippine Sea returned from 275 days at sea. Citing operational costs and the logistical burden of keeping the ships operational, the Navy plans to retire its remaining 13 cruisers by 2029.
As these ships are being phased out, as they age out, they're being replaced by the the Arleigh Burke class Flight 3 destroyers.
During its time,
So, pre-phase out siya, papalitan siya ng mas bago, no? Yung tinatawag na destroyer, no? Kagaya ng sinasabi nung tingin ko, isa siyang kapitan ng barko. So, para sa isang admiral at kapitan, nakakalungkot na pipace out na kasi napamahal na sila doon sa barko na yun. At sabi nga natin, kung subok to sa gera, lahat ng sistema na to subok, mapa-radar system, at ano pa man na defense at offense ng barko na to.
the Philippine Sea more than lived up to its motto, Eternal Vigilance, playing combat roles in the Kosovo and Afghanistan wars. And last
So, ayun po, ano, nagla-launch siya ng Tomahawk. So, very deadly itong barkong ito, no? Afghanistan pala ito ginamit, ano? Tomahawk po, nila-launch niya. Malamang kaya rin mag-launch nito ng SM-6, no? Na tinatawag nila na Standard Missile 6.
and last year launching Tomahawk land attack missiles in Yemen in response to Iranian-backed Houthi aggression in the Red Sea. And now the end is nearly at hand.
As we get into the next fall of 25, and the ship starts looking towards the decommissioning, I suspect it's going to be bittersweet for both the sailors on board now and those who have served on board for the last 35 plus years.
So, subok tong barkong to, no? Malaki na. At nakakatakot yung tsura, no? Tsaka pagdating sa gera, subok. So, wala tayong masasabi, no? Kaya niya ipagtanggol yung sarili niya laban sa mga kalaban. Ganyan yung barko na yan. At very proud po tayo dahil itong barkong to pinangalan sa atin, no? Philippine Sea, no?
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.
In December, the Government Accountability Office reported that the Navy wasted $1.84 billion upgrading 4 other Ticonderoga-class guided missile cruisers that never deployed again. That group included the Norfolk-based USS Anzio and USS Vicksburg.
So, yun po, ano, maikli lang yung video natin. Ang sa akin po, magiging comment ko lang sana dyan. Sayang yung barko no? Napakaganda at mukhang malakas ang barkong ito. Hindi lang malakas, malaki pa, no? Kita nyo naman kung gaano siya kalaki. Sana bilhin ito ng Pilipinas, no? Kahit sabihin natin second hand. Pero sana ibigay naman ito sa napakamurang halaga, no? Hindi lang kalahati. Dapat mas bagsak presyo, no? Kasi kung ipe-phase out lang to o wala lang, i-stock na lang nila dyan, mas maganda kung mapapakinabangan ito ng mga Pilipino o gawin nating outpost doon sa ating, itabi natin doon sa Sierra Madre. At least, kumpara naman sa Sierra Madre, talagang itong barkong to may laban to, no? Ticonderoga ang barkong ito at subok sa labanan. Di ka nga, yung mga defense system nito, radar system, lahat po yan subok sa labanan. Sayang, napakasayang po kung bigla na lang itong iisang tabi. Sana bilhin ito ng Pilipinas at sana wag naman tanggalin yung mga armaments. Panatilihin doon yung mga armaments. Meron tayong mga missiles at alam ko itong barkong ito ay kayang mag-launch ng Tomahawk, no? At yung SM-6, no, Standard Missile 6, kaya ng barkong ito. Sabi nga, missile cruiser ship ito at talagang masasabi natin na may laban. May laban to. Pagdating sa China ay kayang-kaya nitong lumaban. So hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat po.